What's up, y'all? I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut, and this is Thursday. This is pre-Memorial Day weekend throwdown special video. Actually, it's just...
Forget about money. You can afford a more unique price to fit every budget, so call me now.
Giant sale pitch video. So if you don't like those kind of things, I've got a full-length podcast that I just finished up. You can get that, link in the description below. Lawns Across America. It's all about prep for Memorial Day weekend. It's tips that are literally usable right now. Everything from if you're a beginner that just bought your first house. We had a veteran that called in and asked, hey, I'm buying my first house. Where do I start? And I go through that. I mean, extensively, exactly where to start when you bought your first house. In addition to that, where to start because it's summertime. A lot of people are just now getting started in their lawn care for whatever reason. And now I give you some tips on exactly where to start. That's all in the podcast, as well as we start talking about nutsedge and kalinga. Those are problems that a lot of you are facing now that we're getting into the summer and different things, like especially down here in the South where there's a wet period right now. We're coming into the rainy season. Kalinga's being a big deal. So I've got real-time tips on how to take care of kalinga, pre- and post-emergent options for all grass types. And then finally, we also do talk about... what else was there? And then finally in that podcast, I also talk about throwing down multiple things. A lot of you guys have been delayed for rain and flooding and all kinds of crazy things going on around the country, and you've been delayed because of that, and you're just now catching up. And Memorial Day weekend is that catch-up weekend for you, and you're throwing a lot of stuff down all at the same time. And your question is, Alan, is that okay? So I answer that and give you strategies in the podcast on how to take care of that when you are getting multiple things down. So click the link in the description below, Lawns Across America. That's where you're going to get real-time tips, lots of questions answered that'll be relevant to you right now. Now, as far as the pitch goes, for those of you that care about the things that we have in the shop, everything from merch to t-shirts to hats to mugs to stickers, next products, grass plugs, as well as anything else that we have on there. If you use code FERTLIFE, F-E-R-T-L-I-F-E, FERTLIFE, from now until the end of the day on Monday, you'll get $5 off your total purchase in the store. That's everything and anything. Just use that code FERTLIFE for $5 off your total purchase in our store from now until the end of Monday. So hopefully that'll help get your throwdown started. Now, on top of that, I want to talk to those of you that have thought about getting my guides. I know I always mention the guides. I'm always talking about get the guides, but I'm telling you, they're well worth it. Well over 120 pages. Cool season turf, Kentucky bluegrass, perennial ryegrass, turf type tall fescue, and then warm season grass. There's also a guide for you specifically geared towards your grass types: Bermuda, St. Augustine, Centipede, Zoysia, and Bahia grass, all there for you. I promise you the guides are worth it, and I'm going to give you this incentive right here, because one of the questions I get a lot right now is people say, all right, Alan, I want to get the guide. I know I need it, but man, where do I start? Even people that have bought the guide already, because they're like, bro, it's not spring anymore, and all you want to talk about is starting the guides in the spring. So here's what I did for you. I wrote a guide. I just got finished with it. I wrote a complete guide on how to start in the summer. In fact, right now. So if you're seeing this anytime between, again, Memorial Day all the way up through the end of July, I've got this supplement guide for you that tells you, all right, here's what you do, especially for an absolute beginner and you think you're confused by the math. I wrote this. I literally sketched out how to apply product to your lawn. I sketched it in markers, like real markers. I drew it out like drawings, step by step by step. Here is an approachable product that you can apply right now. This, in fact, is where you should start in the summer. North, south, east, west, whoever you are, this is where you start. Here are 2 product choices at the store, at Lowe's, at Home Depot, at Ace. These products are found everywhere in the country at one of those stores. So these are accessible products that you can get now. You could literally get this guide and drive to the store and get one of these products and be applying it within hours. That's what this starter guide does. It tells you this is where you start your lawn plan right now. And then it drops you off into the hybrid organic lawn plan. So the reason that matters is because everybody that buys a hybrid organic lawn plan from now until the end of close of business Monday will get the supplement guide for free along with the full guide. And what that'll do, again, is it's designed to say, start here this weekend using this supplement guide. And then from there, you gain experience and understanding, because I wrote it so simply and I put it out. I literally put the fundamentals out there on the line for you. And I simplified everything, oversimplified it. Now you can drop right into the main hybrid organic plan and boom, you're off to the races. So that's the idea. I hope that's coming across. Now, additionally, anyone who buys the guide between now and the close of business on Monday, May 27th, will also get an exclusive ThrowDown Memorial Day 2019 sticker. We had this sticker kind of adapted from our famous ThrowDown sticker, and we kind of made it to be commemorative of this particular weekend for 2019. So everybody that orders the book from now until the close of business Monday, not only will you get the supplement guide, as well as the full hybrid organic lawn plan, which is well worth the $25 we charge for it and more, you'll also get an exclusive sticker, an exclusive ThrowDown Memorial Day sticker, as well as the traditional LC and oval sticker to put on your spreader. So I'm hoping that's enough incentive, because I promise you, when you get the book, you're gonna be like, man, I can't believe I waited so long for this. So also, just so you know, anybody that's bought the books previously, you're going to get the supplement guide too. I don't want to leave you out. It'll actually be very helpful to you, because a lot of you may have bought the guide and you've been reading it, but you haven't started yet. And you could use the supplement as that Kickstarter, as that little spark to light the flame for you to actually get started this weekend too. So I don't want you to think you guys that previously bought are left out. You'll be getting the same supplement guide emailed to you probably by the time you see this video. It will be in your inboxes, so definitely go and check and see that there. Now, I did want to point out one other thing. I became a retailer or a dealer for a really cool company, and they're called Fence Armor. So again, we're running our Fert Life promotion all the way until the end of Monday, where it's $5 off your total purchase in the store, and you could use that towards fence armor. Check this out. So those of you with wooden posts, like either your mailbox post or fence posts, you know that you weed rack around those, and when you weed rack around those, you're hitting the wood and you're taking chunks out of the wood, and you're actually creating a problem for yourself, right? So either you don't weed whack real well around your posts, or you just go in hard and you just hope for the best that you're not going to destroy your posts. Well, Fence Armor now makes this exactly what it is. It's an armor that you put around the bottom of the posts, and it's made of this metal here, and it's powder coated, and it's beautiful, and you can get it in all different colors and all that, and you put that right around your post. So I'm going to do that on my mailbox, which is a challenge I've had, and this is going to solve it. But for that, you could look in the store and look at all the different options they have. They have different colors, different sizes, all that kind of stuff. I wanted to show you this cool Patriotic edition, so check this out. So this one is designed to be used for mailbox posts, and it's the Patriotic edition, and it's fence armor that goes around your mailbox post, right, during the holidays. So you won't be able to get this in time for Memorial Day, but this looks really, really cool around your mailbox post for 4th of July. So a lot of people in my neighborhood put flags out. I always put flags out for the different, holidays where we want to celebrate America and our veterans and things like that. And this is just another cool way to kind of decorate your yard by putting this nice, cool fence armor wrap around the bottom of your mailbox post. So that's really cool. Comes in different sizes because everybody's mailbox post might be a little bit different. It does come, though, when you buy it, and that's why I wanted to point it out, it does come with the basic fence armor in white. So you'll get the year-round fence armor in white as long as white works for you. That's just what it comes with. But then you also get the Patriotic edition. So other than that, you can browse around the site. You'll see you can just buy the fence armor by itself for one single post or for multiple posts and all kinds of stuff. I'll be doing a lot more content on that. This is a great product. I'm really glad to partner with these guys. This is something that I was really excited about bringing to the DIY market. It's been something the pros have been talking about and using for a while, but I haven't seen a lot of DIYers using this, and I'm like, man, this solves a lot of problems for DIYers. So wanted to go ahead and post that up. If you do want to take advantage of the $5 off Fert Life, you can get that on the Patriotic mailbox post by Fence Armor. And with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this pitch. I like to do this kind of thing. I like to rattle it off, put a little music to it, have a little fun, and I know some of you get a kick out of it. Others of you, hopefully, though, you'll take advantage of some of these sales. You'll get a little something you want this week, this month, this year for yourself, or you'll get that ebook and take yourself to the next level with the lawn. So with that, I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for watching. Don't worry, I'm throwing down hard this weekend. I'm going to be throwing down Monday. Going to be doing a lot of throwdown there. Going to not disappoint for Memorial Day Throwdown 2019. I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for watching, and Monday I'm going to see you in the lawn.